Hey guys, Fishy here. When I'm debunking things and I find folks sharing things that are fake, I let them know that it's fake and I try to show them how they can find out for themselves that it's fake. And sometimes that works and sometimes it doesn't, but I try not to embarrass people or humiliate them or call them names for sharing fakery, because we've all fallen for fakery, and humiliation isn't really an effective tool a lot of times. It just might make people dig in deeper. So when I wanted to talk about this video that I did, I struggled with whether to talk about who the commenters were or show them. I could have taken pictures and just showed those on the screen, but it wouldn't be something you could see in real time that were comments from this video. And again, I struggled with that too, because these are people defending fakery. Let me tell you what I'm doing. I'm trying to help conservatives. I'm pointing out that they're being exploited and lied to for profit in videos like this one about Obama's small-minded quote. I'm trying to show them who the bad guys are. This is the quote someone chopped up from a longer speech. Ordinary men and women are too small-minded to govern their own affairs. Order and progress can only come when individuals surrender to an all-powerful sovereign. And fakers have been using these chopped up bits of this speech to get people angry, to get clicks, and to gin up some real outrage that they can then profit off of. So I made this video to show that. I went to PolitiFact, I went to Snopes, I showed those links, but I also went to the transcript of the original speech. And I found the video of the original speech, and I put that out there together. Side by side, you can see the first version, and then you can see the full version. I'm showing the chopped up video, the Snopes and PolitiFact link, then the transcript, and then the uncut excerpt. And I'm showing people so they can see the truth for themselves. But these are the comments I'm getting back, and I think we have to talk about them. One of them: how are you sitting there saying it is a lie when it is actually something that is said in the speech? It is worded somewhat differently, but essentially that is exactly what he is saying. No, it isn't. And I told this guy, if you can't see it's chopped up, then there's no help for you. The truth is not in you. Good luck. And then he goes on for more comments, wanting to argue some more. The point is not what the theme of what he's saying, whether it's close to the excerpt. The point is someone made up an excerpt that was fake. And I called them on it, and people don't like it. They're upset with me for showing the truth. And then I get comments like this: Obama needs to unseal his records. It's real. Stop lying. Q knows the truth. Watching this video only shows me what a liar both Obama and the editor are. Really? And then people, if you listen to the message, the twist in his message, people are inserting all sorts of things because they think they understand Obama. And they might. I'm not saying that's not the case, but I'm saying that this particular bit of fakery is fakery. You don't have to make up bad things about Barack Obama. You can find actual legitimate disagreements you can have with him. Here's this non sequitur. It's not fake. The Illuminati will have swift judgment and justice by God. Okay. Snopes is heavily edited by liberal propaganda by Soros and the CIA. Soros to destroy democracy and CIA to continue getting rich off wars. Not the least bit relevant when I've shown you how it's been taken out of context. Other ones. Soros is like the main donor of Snopes. What's that tell you? Lol, Snopes, wake up. Obama would never say this. Never. This is fake. Thank you. One person here just plain out saying that's fake. All right. Other people are saying, yeah, this is depressing seeing these comments. This guy's a fraud, always was. Not relevant when I'm just trying to show people this bit of fakery was taken out of context and created to make people mad and to get clicks, likes, and profit from them. And then here's talking about seeing Trump's tax returns. Note that he didn't say God bless the United States of America. And then just more comments like this. Never trust Snopes. Now, all of these comments about Snopes, it's telling me that basically Snopes is an unreliable source to use with people like this. People like this are not going to be receptive to the truth that this is fake. What they are going to do is argue about it, just like we've shown. But there are a whole bunch of other people that are reading the comments, that are not commenting, that are bystanders, that will see this video, see that I've actually shown how you can know that what's the truth and what's the lie. And so we need to push back with examples like this. This is why I need help pushing unfakery content. No one else is out there showing you how to figure this stuff out for yourself, how to see for yourself, where to find the sources to see for yourself. They're just throwing links at them. And links that people are rejecting because of ideology, because of discrediting of Snopes and etc. So we're going to have to wean ourselves off of using sites like PolitiFact and like Snopes. It's not going to be productive. We do need, however, to take the source documents maybe that they come up with, like the transcript that I show in this video, and show people how they can follow that trail, find the originals, and then be able to know that they're fake. That's what I'm trying to do. With people who are rejecting the truth outright, there's no help. But with the people that they know and they come in contact with and that they may try to speak with, when they start interacting and getting this video so many views, more people are going to see the truth. This is 11,500 views. It's got 101 comments on it. There's a chance that the bystanders will be able to see this with a greater bit of exposure now. And that's all we can do, I think. Snopes isn't helpful. PolitiFact isn't helpful. But this sort of debunking, even if it gets rejected by a bunch of people, maybe a bunch more are seeing it and understanding that those people are losing credibility. That's what I want to see. I don't want to see conservatives lose credibility, but I want to see people who are not fans of the truth, who are servicing agenda over truth. I want to see them lose credibility. They deserve to lose credibility. So help us if you can by sharing our content so that we can keep our credibility out there in front of people and be a source for them to go to for things like this.